Today is Thursday, September 17th, 2015. And I'm out here with this 2.5 liter Riley engine. It's on a rolling chassis. That's about all there is, really. Just a rolling chassis. Makeshift can of gas that I hooked up to it. And there's my battery. Hook up some wires to the coil so that I have ignition. And of course, this is a positive ground. So you have to take everything into consideration when you're doing this. And I did change the oil filter, dropped the pan, cleaned it all out and everything, so that's okay. So it's just another thing we're doing. This is the other side of the engine, what it looks like. It definitely needs cleaning up a bit, but it runs.